Reading comprehension strategies, enhancing understanding in young learners. Developing reading comprehension is key to a child's success, focusing on decoding words and understanding context. This article explores techniques to boost comprehension. Effective strategies aim to teach kids to fully understand texts, recognizing themes and employing critical thinking, helping them become proficient readers. Visualization significantly improves reading comprehension by creating a mental imagery that enhances recall and understanding. The digital age demands renewed focus on comprehension strategies, crucial for supporting learning outcomes and encouraging higher-order thinking in children. Research-backed methods like summarization, predicting, and inferring are employed to effectively boost comprehension, with strategies tailored to individual learning needs. Reading comprehension strategies in primary education are vital, including textual analysis and vocabulary expansion, to nurture cognitive development and reading skills. Phonemic awareness and decoding skills are emphasized, developing children's ability to differentiate sounds and decode words, enhancing vocabulary and comprehension. Innovative teaching methods, including fun phonetics games and visual aids, have improved phonemic awareness and decoding skills among young learners. Implementing specific reading comprehension strategies can significantly improve literacy, with techniques adapted to each student's needs to develop a love for reading. Interactive read aloud sessions chosen with engaging content and preparation enhance understanding, vocabulary, and a love for books through discussion and prediction. Graphic organizers help organize information with online resources and tools like Venn diagrams and KWL charts, enhancing the learning experience and engagement. Assessing young readers' comprehension abilities includes evaluating their ability to connect new information with prior knowledge and draw conclusions from context clues. Standardized reading tests and comprehension strategies offer a way to benchmark young readers' success, providing objective measures of proficiency and progress. These strategies and assessments aim to cultivate proficient readers, equipping students with essential skills for academic success and lifelong learning.